you didn't study, I will put the link in the description box. That is the part 1, and this is video is part number 2. Okay, go and if you didn't study it, go and study and then come to this part 2 video. Okay, so let's come to the topic, and today's topic is the mouth and the buccal cavity. Okay, the mouth and the buccal cavity. Yes, so you all can see this picture. I think so. You all can see this beautiful picture, and this picture is about what? You can guess it. What is the picture? You can guess it? Yes. Correct. Very good. Correct. Yeah, this is a picture of mouth or the buccal cavity or the oral cavity. Okay, this is the mouth of the buccal cavity. So, come to the picture closely. So, this is the gums. Okay, this is the gums. You all can see, I think. This is the gums. So, what is gum? Yeah, this part. Okay, this part is gums. And each teeth is rooted in separate socket of gums. Okay, so each teeth, all the teeth are one teeth is what arranged in the one gums. So each teeth is rooted in the separate socket of gums. Okay, that is about gums. Okay, so next is our main thing, and that is teeth. So what is teeth? Yeah. Yes, it helps us to what? It helps us to chew the food, grind the food, bite the food, okay, tear the food. Yes, this all helps. What? Teeth helps. Okay, teeth helps to grind the food, chew the food, all the things. Tear the food. Yes. When you take any chicken piece or anything, what you helps? The teeth helps to tear it. Yeah. To chew it, to bite it. Yeah. Our teeth help. Yeah. So come to the tongue, and that is what tongue helps? Yes. Yes, tongue helps to swallow the food to the esophagus. Yeah, yesterday I told you that means the part 1 video, I told that this is esophagus or the food pipe. Yeah, this is the esophagus or the food pipe. So tongue helps, this is our tongue, and the tongue helps the food to push down to the esophagus or the food pipe. Okay, it helps us to know the tongue helps the food to push down to the what? Food pipe or esophagus. Okay? There's nothing else. The tongue helps the food to push down to the esophagus. Okay, it's ready. Nothing is there. So come to the upper lip, and that is, we all know that our lips. Okay, that is the upper lip. This means this one is the upper lip. Okay. So this is the buccal cavity. The mouth is the lip and the cheeks, and the buccal cavity means inside of our mouth. This is very important. Listen carefully. Okay, it's nothing else but listen carefully. There's little bit out there. Okay, listen carefully. The mouth means the cheeks and lips. I will say once more. The mouth and the cheeks and lips. And the buccal cavity means inside our mouth. That means teeth, tongue, salivary glands, gums, tongue, teeth, upper lip, all the things. Okay. So there are 4 types of teeth. Okay, there are 4 types of teeth. What are they? Come to here. This is a picture of teeth. Okay, this is a picture of teeth, and this teeth is called incisor. Incisor is very sharp. Incisor is very sharp. Okay, so incisor is this. It helps us to tear all the things. Okay, it helps us to tear all the things. This canine and the incisor help us to tear the food. Yeah. So come to this. This is the canine. Okay, this also is very sharp. It's compared to this, therefore are looking very different, and it's what processing or it's looking very different, and its working is also very different. Appearance is also very different, and its working is also very different. Okay, so the incisor is very sharp, like this. Yeah, you can see. I think so. This is very sharp, and the canine is also very sharp. This is called premolar, but compared to this, it is not very sharp. It is like a pointed, but that is called very pointed. Okay, this premolar is like this, but incisor and canine is very sharp. It has the thin like this. Okay, this part, it's very pointed. Okay, come to this. This is the last teeth, different type, and that is molar teeth. Okay, this is molar. It is also not sharp. It helps to chew the food. Okay, grind the food. It helps. Okay, this premolar and molar help us to chew and grind the food, and this incisor and canine help us to what? Tear the food. Okay, bite the food. All the things. So these are about our buccal cavity and what? Mouth. Okay. So this is about our buccal cavity and mouth. This is very simple. Nothing else is there. Just you want to, if you any questions are there in your exams, just mind that this is our mouth. Okay. You want to imagine it. This is our mouth, and these all are things are in our mouth. It's very easy. So we are going to study. I said that there are 4 types of teeth. So we all know that teeth help to break down the food mechanically into small pieces. Yes, we all know that. Yeah, there are 4 types of teeth that I said, and they are incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. So come to molar. Okay, we can write here as molar. How many teeth are there? There are 12 teeth are there. Yes? Yes. There are 12 teeth. And how many teeth are in the upper jaw? There are 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. Okay? Okay? So, the molar, there are totally 12. Okay, total 12. And 6 are in the upper and 6 are in the lower. And come to here, there are premolar. So, let's write premolar. So, compared to premolar, there are 8. Okay, there are 8. Okay, so in the premolar, 4 are there. So total there 8. So 4 are there in the upper. Okay. And 4 are in the lower. So totally there are 8. Yes, we all know. So next is compared to here, canine. How many are there? Canine? Yes. Canine, how many? Yes, 4. Yeah. 4 is total. Total. You know what? Totally canine is 4. And what? How many teeth are in the upper jaw? Yes. 2 are in the upper. And 6. Yes. Very good. You are listening, right? Yeah. 2 are in the lower. Very good. Yeah. So you want to listen here, okay? Don't play. You want to listen in the studying time, okay? Yeah. Canine, 4 in the total number, and 2 are in the upper jaw and 2 are in the lower jaw. Next is last one, and that is incisor. Okay? Incisor. Okay? This is the incisor. Okay? Incisor, how many teeth are there? Yes. Like premolar, there are 8 teeth. But no, premolar and molar have 8 teeth totally. But compared to difference and performance, the looking wise and performance are different. Totally different. But the numbers are same. Okay, numbers are same. So incisor are 8 teeth. Totally what? 8 teeth. And how many teeth are in the upper? How many teeth are in the upper? Yes, 4 are in the upper and 4 are in the lower, like premolar. Very good. 4 are in the upper jaw. 4 are in the lower jaw. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Okay. I think you all study it. Okay. So study this time. I want to rub this board, and I will give you 5 seconds to take a screenshot, and after a screenshot I will give you 5 seconds. Okay? Can I? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. I think you all take a screenshot because that is better, and after this class you can take that and make a lecture note or anything. And With your permission, I'm going to rub this. Okay, with your permission, I'm going to rub this. Yeah, I'm going to rub. Yes. Yes, I rub it. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Next is their perform or not. Yeah, performance. Yeah, what it helps. It helps this. Yeah. That I will tell first is molar. Okay. Molar, there are 12 teeth and more. First we can do come from here. That is better. Yeah. Come from incisor. Okay. Incisor. How many teeth are there? Incisor have 8 teeth and incisor and canine. Okay. Incisor and canine helps to tear the food. Okay. Helps to tear the food or pressing. Or piece the food. Okay, and right here. Tearing. Okay, tear the food. Okay, so incisor and canine helps to tear the food and comes to the premolar and molar. That's right. Premolar and molar. Okay, yeah. Premolar, molar and premolar and molar what it helps to chew the food or grind the food. Okay, it helps in chewing and what grinding. Chewing and grinding. Okay, so I will read once more. Incisor and canine helps to tear the food or press the food. And in the premolar, in the case of premolar and molar, it helps to chew and grind the food. Okay, chew and grind the food. Okay, understand? This is very simple. Okay, this is very, very simple. Nothing else is there. You want to study the number. That is only the one thing. And its uses, what it helps. It helps like, or canine, in the case of incisor and canine, what it helps? It helps to tear the food. That you want to study. There is nothing else. It's very simple. It is very, very simple. Okay. So, there are total number of teeth. Okay, there are total number of teeth. How many? Total. Yeah, all of these teeth. Total number of teeth are 32. Okay, there are all this. All molar, premolar or incisor, canine. All these teeth. How many teeth are there in our mouth? There are 32 teeth are in our mouth. Okay, there are 32 teeth are in our mouth. This is very important. This is very, very important. Okay, how many teeth are there? The question will be like that. Okay, so how many total number of teeth? How many total number of teeth? That is the answer is 32 teeth. Okay, there are 32 teeth. Okay, there are 32 teeth are in our mouth. Okay, so I think you all understand it. And next topic, and that is very easy topic, and that is injection. Okay, yes, injection. So anybody know about injection? Okay, not this injection. Your nurse will give that or one injection, right? Not that. This is another injection. Anybody know? If you know, please comment it. And come to, if you don't know, I will say that is injection. Our digestion process starts from our mouth. I said in that previous video, that is our food is eaten through our mouth, and the digestion is also starts from our beautiful mouth. Yeah, very good. Mouth. So injection means the taking food to our mouth is called injection. The process of taking food into our mouth is called injection. Okay, into our body or into our body is called injection. Yeah, come here. I will tell the process of taking food into our body is called what? injection. Okay, so injection means we want to eat the food and goes to our body, and this is called injection. Okay, the process of taking food into our body is called injection. Okay, this is called injection. Injection is very easy, that the process by which what eating food into our body, the process of taking food into our body is called injection. It is very simple, nothing else is there. This is called what? Injection. Okay? Okay, clear? Very good. Yes, if you have any doubts, please comment. And okay, did you all study it? I think. Please study this test. Please study. The process of taking food into our body is called injection. I think you all studied it. Okay. So next is a beautiful activity, and that is effect of saliva on starch. Okay, this is an activity. This is very important activity, and this is very interesting activity. Okay, so let's go. So take two test tube like this, and one test tube is A and one test tube is B. Label as A and B. Okay, take two test tube like this and label this test tube as A and this test tube as B. And then what you want to do that, take some boiled rice and put it into test tube A. Okay, take some boiled rice and put it into the test tube A. Sorry. And next, what do you want to do that, in the B section or the B test tube, you want to take some boiled rice and you want to chew this with your mouth for 3 minutes. You want to chew the rice, boiled rice, 3 minutes and put it into the test tube B. Then what you want to do that, you want to pour some water. You want to pour some water into both the test tube. Okay, you want to pour both the test tube some water, and what you want to do that, you want to add some iodine solution. Okay, you want to add some iodine solution into test tube B. What do you will be seeing? In test tube B, you want to add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. In test tube B, okay, what you will be seeing? What you will be seeing? Nothing you will be seeing. Like this, you started, that color is there in the test tube B. But when you put in the test tube B, when you put some iodine solution in the test tube A, what you see? Yes, the test tube color, this water color will be changed to blue. Okay, this test tube water will be changed to blue. Okay, like this, the color will be changes. When you add the iodine solution into both the test tube, in test tube A, you can see the color change into blue. But in the test tube B, nothing else. No color changing will be happening. That is because there is a saliva enzyme. Okay, saliva enzyme. Okay, called lysosium. Okay, there is a saliva enzyme that you will be studying in your higher classes. Saliva enzyme called lysosium that converts starch into simple sugars. Starch into sugar. Okay, so when you add some iodine solution in both the test tube, this is chewed rice and this is boiled rice. So when you put some iodine solution into B and A test tube, in test tube A the color will change, and the test tube B the color will not change, because in test tube B we chewed rice, right? The rice is chewed with our mouth. So we mix the saliva. I said here, right? There is a salivary gland. So it helps us to mix the saliva in our mouth. So the chewed rice is mixed with the saliva and then we put into the test tube B. So in that saliva has an enzyme, saliva enzyme. So this chewed rice and enzyme called lysosium. So So lysols here, what they will do? The sugar, the rice have starch, and this starch will be broken down into sugar. So that's why the test tube B does not change color. But because of test tube A, in test tube A, it is only boiled rice. So there is no saliva enzyme. There is no saliva enzyme. So that's why the color change here. And in test tube B, there is a saliva enzyme. That's why the color did not change. Okay, this is a simple activity, and this is a brilliant, and it's very important for your exam also. Okay. So next we are going to study about tongue. Yes, the upper surface of a human tongue. So this is a picture of a human tongue. How is it? It's good? Yes, thank you. So this is a human tongue that I drawn here. And so what is the use of, what is a tongue? After saying all the things, what is a tongue? So I will say the first point. What is a tongue? Can you answer me? Yes, very good. Yeah. Tongue is a muscular organ. Tongue is a muscular organ that attached to the back of the buccal cavity. Tongue is a muscular organ that is attached at the back of the buccal cavity. Back of the where? Yes, buccal cavity. Yeah. So this is the first important point. Yeah. Tongue is a muscular organ that is attached at the back of the buccal cavity. You all know what is buccal cavity, right? Teeth, tongue, saliva, all the things. Okay. So tongue is a muscular organ that is attached to the back. Okay, in the buccal cavity's back, the tongue is joined, and there is a main thing, and that is the tongue can rotate all the direction. The tongue can rotate? Yes, all the direction, because it is only attached to here. In the upper part, it is not attached to here and here. Sorry, the line goes. So it does not attach to this part, side part. It only attached to this part. That's why it can rotate all the direction, like north, south, east, west. All the direction it can rotate, because this upper part is only what? Attached. These sides are not attached. It is not attached. That's why it can rotate all the direction like a pen, like this. Yeah. So next is, what is the use? Yes. What is the use means the tongue helps the food to push down to the esophagus or the food pipe. Esophagus means food pipe, that I said. So tongue helps to what? Push down the food to the esophagus, and the tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Okay, the tongue helps to. Okay, next point I will write first. Okay, the tongue helps to push down to the esophagus. And okay, esophagus. I don't want to write, I think, food pipe. I think you all studied. You want to study it. The esophagus means food pipe. So the tongue helps to push down. Push down the food to the esophagus. Okay. Yeah. The tongue helps to push down to the food to the esophagus. Okay. So next point, what? Next point is what? What it helps? Yeah. It helps to mix the food with the saliva. So next is, it helps the food to mix with saliva. Okay. So this tongue helps the food to mix with saliva, and it helps to what? very good. And the tongue helps. It helps to talk. Helps to talk. Yeah. The tongue helps to talk. Right now I am talking to you because of the tongue. Without tongue I can't talk to you, right? Yes, with the help of the tongue I am talking to you right now. Yes? Yes. So, then what is the thing? And the tongue has some taste buds to dictate some very function. So, what that means? Some taste. Okay. Next point is that I will say the tongue has some taste buds to dictate, okay, different tastes. Okay, different tastes. Think I did. Okay. What is the taste? The tongue. I think you all can see. Okay, the tongue has some taste buds to dictate different taste. What is the taste? Sweet, bitter, sour, and salt. Okay. First I will write, then I will move to see. Okay. Sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Okay. So this is the taste bud. Okay. These all are the taste buds. This is a tongue. This is a tongue. And the tongue is a muscular organ that is attached to the back of the buccal cavity. And the tongue helps to push down the food to the esophagus. And it helps the food to mix with saliva. Okay. And it helps to talk. Yeah. And what? The tongue has some taste buds to dictate different tastes. That means sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. So, I think you all understand about this all that I teach you today this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. And if you didn't subscribe, go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any doubts, just comment on the comment section. If the comment box is on or leave. If my comment box is off, you don't want to comment because you can't comment, yeah? Why? I don't know. So many are calling me and telling why the comment box is off. I don't know because when I start my YouTube channel, then some days after my videos are uploaded and the comment box is automatically turned off. So when my comment box is on, you can comment it, any doubts or anything. When my comment box is off, I don't know what I want to do. So all the things I said, right? Like, share and subscribe. And all the students can see this. All students can study this and learn it. Yeah. So please share to all your friends, relatives, cousins, all the things. Okay. Your teachers also can see this. Okay. Then what?